Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Here you can find 3 dots. You have to press on this. Now click on settings. Now go to chats. Here you'll find the option of theme. You have to press on this. Now you can see here the option of dark. You have to click here. Press on OK. So this is how to turn on dark mode in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.